Ayos na.
Siguro yan.
San Francisco final. California's immense wealth of gold and silver against it. But try to imagine it not being there. But plans early environmental they believe ruined the natural beauty of the Golden Gate. American author Catherine Jerome was one of many who expressed opposition at the time.
One of the most romantic approaches.
In Washington, D.C., objected to this. There were many people who wanted the bridge. First among the supporters was the engineer Joseph Behrman Strauss. He wasn't the man to give in to an engineering challenge. Political opposition. Encouraged by Strauss, voters in the region. Construction began in 1933.
The design that was finally developed actually turned out to be one of the most graceful, delicate objects of Art Deco art that was ever created. The scale is just immense. The tower is over 700 feet in height, the main span 42 feet long. No one had ever built a bridge like this before. Some people say
The tower at the San Francisco end of the bridge. Then it went down and the conduit walls were built, enclosing an area in the bay the size of a football field. The water was pumped out and the concrete was poured. Next came the two towers. When they were completed, thousands of steel strands were bundled together to form the enormous main cables that connected.
Yeah, you go there.
Finally, the road itself was built, starting at both ends and working toward the middle to keep the bridge in balance. It's easy to describe. It was far from easy to accomplish. Imagine working there, day after day, in the cold, in the fog, in the rain. On major construction projects in those days, experience had shown that one workman usually died for every $1 million spent. The budget for the bridge was $35 million, but Joseph Strauss was determined that 35 lives would not be lost on his bridge. A safety net was fabricated and suspended below the workmen, and although 11 men did die during construction, 19 men fell into the safety net and were saved. Those 19 lucky men formed a very special club. It's called the Halfway to Hell Club. Of the 11, let your eyes follow the bridge from shore to shore. The roadway extends for 1.25 miles without touching down on solid ground. Look at the in a 50,000-ton foundation buried deep underground. Impressive numbers, but numbers alone can't tell the story of the Golden Gate Bridge. There's more to it than steel and concrete. For many, it has become a symbol of America's hope. Which crosses from San Francisco. Opened in 19, Bay Bridge received international attention when a section of the roadway collapsed during the 1989 earthquake. That section was part of the older cantilever connected on the other side of the highway. It is here you can see the new bridge design. This eastern portion of the bridge is the largest self-anchored suspension bridge in the world. The central tower rises in the middle of the bridge.
all lens in the shade.
Transportation up until until the 1930s before the Bay Bridge opened. Nearly 50,000 people a day use the ferry system. Transportation. The ferry remains
built money's left by Louis Hitchcock Coit.
edge of consequences. As we head back, we will soon approach our final destination. It's one of the most famous attractions and sent with visitors from around the world come to Pier 39 for world-class dining and spectacular view. Each shop. Crystal clear tunnel under the